ubedru Anloga Junction. Until this is the first one ubedru ansana wakwa kodru Anloga de no a ene Anloga Junction de no. I am sure say Nancy do have for more complaining. I am sure. Because me ankasa observation my year and it say from bed 9:30 and opa 9:30 koka anajo
87.9 Kumasi.
A traffic. Of course, there's a traffic light. Ebeboye na yetimi monitor movement because how intersection. Ndika how intersection no. The omuni say car we beba na no me duru ayi na me call port runabout abo post office ode no enra me duru na nya adwuma enti basa da ba ni bia pekwan akọ enti traffic light na ye no yes unregulated movement of cars, movement of vehicles enti say yes car we the free Anloga eba tiasima ba Asokwa onyina ho say ebi onyina ho 30 seconds onyina ho 20 seconds. Now the ono so eko main one na oko no the only main no a ono o movie no ono no de no ye what time I set ya no. But recently bebe 1 week in here or so, be 1 week in here or so, traffic no e build up from 9:30. And na many penifo bi di nkomo. This is education me de mame. Say kwan no eye highway eye busier eye between 40 and 70 seconds and omo setting green light no. And me understanding e was kwan we hu no eye kwan eye very busy and opay I checked me nyabre pa gina ho say from enra na me start check here from this side and this side too. Me observation video we a wo hwe eye 30 seconds video 30 seconds. Now the highway no omo free esoro ha koi enti anopai e free be na e ko no bon say traffic na start enra e ba sa bi mu fa so bolo ha na ho so build because e ha nko ha ma. This is my observation na anopai enti urban roads for mutie me. This is observation yeah and it say when we 30 seconds. Yes,
I see.
Enti wo hwe ya just as an open na me here we video no here 30 seconds me monitor say me hwe movement no and urban roads for adewei
na 30 seconds the car so be see movie.
So that is the point. And it was nenti sa nti de na see was almost say reset time no. Enti we a system we nya de bia. You see initially no
the systems are built for human beings.
Yes, anopa no na Anloga Junction ho time nsuo ne pa ya ye ho adwuma wa ha ma water Ghana water foko tu ho no. Na e build ho nti me de misusu say because that ho de ne building nti no on be delay ha. So that traffic no enti o ma ya wie dia then they should come and do it. Sa na me hu no. Because omo block kwan nti no na ma pressure akwa kodi ho. Nti say u delay ha no a na je say obviously omo wo ha no betima movie before nti wait 30 seconds.
Sir John bibia boko there.
Oh nyame adom menu na so
nyame adom ma me chat for. You see some of these things and you say you that jet na ha no say you come asem. Your common sense. Me I will say it as it is. Your common sense. Because baby nye ha no yadi. New road
is one.
So new road ni so na also ode ko no ɛyɛ den a cars ne free baby na eba be share bo hodom na apɛ baby afa
exactly
so who deny no access that your friend is traffic no start say build there and the pressure make see the other end so and na the kaka saa na fe na kwa kodu baby eko and you see traffic no start say build there mama ye hu ni say oh Kumasi the saa de te Kumasi the saa de te a lower productivity knowing very well say yeah we certain culture bi wo ha no say every week ye pay sa culture na be koso that is a year from Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And Sunday no a big business on its own. Now for the traffic asaba be shame yes oh you had the traffic you had the traffic when we have alternative routes e bit be far e dey kokko baby now for you kokko do ye point e person ye ko but oh yes Sunday we are one you are giving room for drivers some in discipline no so ayusu other alternative and to be one and that traffic lights the best say drivers be find your way now police phone you hono no then obviously who wan say driver bi unam kwan so other driver bi find che who no be see wanim obo na yeye we no hwe yeye wani be ti that trotro driver bi so saa na prake for so di twitwi na nasefo you see let us build a system for human beings yenti na mo build a system no because some in producer na tue ba betwa mu ho no mo a ono nim traffic light sa so black o sa so yellow sa so green o ono fa ho obeko utumi so fa mo no but if you are doing something for a system for human beings calculate the nature of the people over there na make sure so bet me adjust to it na ma me waste your time where just common sense
and you see ideally the education me nya and say on highway 40 to 70 seconds. That's the education. Penny back with him. Say, oh, you know, 30 seconds. Just say, what in Crawford
we adopted to him other culture. Abrofo the side of your model. What the bar a hand musea a different.
Yeah.
Look, I have watched a certain video be a what China, a traffic prone area. Careful baku or had say another straight one or had say but only my baku are very interesting car baku kwa na o careful baku so akọ straight one baku kwa but the high end here wase we want to pile up on hono as a block kwa na crack over there's a structure there's a system onim say oko a place like Dubai omo kwa no portals be any so I mean most of their omo quantum porno portal be any so traffic lights is so but enu pono yasaswa catch us say don't go beyond 80 kilometers now they also move so also na walk papa and also they go more than 80 kilometers no problem who hono before so be do fie na yati ticket amount also ye be ma mentua these are some of the system we should start implementing them on our roads nienya sa brofo na you say 60 to 70 seconds 40 to 60 seconds and no in our culture it doesn't help.
Yes, and
in all settings it doesn't help.
Nti my chimpani for adwuasi so say the way a kwan no so far asia bufu no because a kwan we me kai pa time ano mo be no ta na mani bi o mo kan say traffic any say nti na ma ampani ko for time mo start here mo hihye ma at the end of the day yetimi anya this
in any case yes
very good quality road yenya quality road like this
in any case
enya de ose so
in any case say traffic lights we nyadwuma na post for we bigina kwan ne so a ekwan o mo de ma friend say drivers wo mo kono emru 60 seconds emru 70 seconds no mo kano so what is the point and as that way you see madwe ho amenti ase baby a traffic light see ni esa de post for abegina ho no mo baby a traffic light na say no na post for ni ho no mo adete asa de we tesa
clear example enra mi hu bi
adete tesa
enra mi hu bi wo aboabo post office or traffic light
yes
eya na MTTD for no omo egina wa wo do wo call airport run about omo gina after baby a filling station
yes
now gina ho nyina de omo checking say obi be crossing obi cross here no more or must stopping
backward
now traffic light no nya asat enre anopa na me twam ho no na traffic light no nya adwuma now I saw these MTTD officers wo mu gina baby so at a point me trimming sana me say officer na mun ko gina ho direct say traffic no enye adwuma
so
the essence of your presence should be that mo kwa direct it. But you see edu ba bi kra na esay a omu firi ho.
That is what I don't get it.
Esay pe no mo omo dwane afiri ho. Say light no say pe ubako hu omo. Ya kra we kra ye kan wase ne ebre bia na ebre bia esay ye. Ebre bia light we say say. Omo ekọ ye na afei omo nyina omo nya ba ko ha poster light ne ba ko
yes
hode no na hode no eye adwuma na the other side ne ye
adwuma
nti omo po obi tesoro
police need tesoro
obi tesoro ya wo no monitor nti say wo cross ya no watwa de ascend omo a omo wo this end obedu on ye gina na you see say traffic light no say pe anko se nkomu gina on direct traffic no obako no obi anyina ho na driver for de omu ti hwehwim na we di twi we na we bo aben
it's heartbreaking. I mean
dia enye
mind you say
system
o cross back wa police o man nsa so back say o ma 5 no so say ya 5 cedis no or the 2 ne ka ho 10 cedis or the na mienu ka ho de na che say o ko wani ma do so you see
police nyo be man na azo
police onya man nsa so back say ya 5 cedis onya de mienu ne ka ho a 10 cedis ntim bomode na so toto de na mienu say na so oyese wo begina wo nyina na toto de 9 cedis de no masa wo de ka. But you see on a more serious note, you pay attention to some of these things, especially in the morning, early morning productivity is very high, or productivity is expected to be very high because anopa nipa na sorry all kwadwuma or making sure say oba tutu the name yi ansa na wako na oba free no akwa di traffic so here say you hanko it's everywhere, especially Accra, Kumasi, Takrade. So terrible. Omo think I crowd put your mom take a shock by this time. So I feel the one sorry out to be in Kwejuma. So the question is that what are we doing? Yes, you're sorry, so yes, also complaining say Ghana Sikani had say, but the level of productivity you person you produce within a particular point in time, you know. Yeah, in the course of it. Because traffic in any case, what does it cost? What does it cost us? See, I say, you have more 2 minutes, 120 seconds, and 180 seconds. Now, I see from Munko, no Munko Yajuma, and then the BC.
And you know, your best say you for you, Eban rules for Monshe, now because it's unusual. I was it's unusual. 87.9. And when you we share baby and traffic and I build the baby draw.
It doesn't make any sense.
I irritated. If I knew number na Quebec say number no ya na cars no door so or kwan so near because obi a kwadwuma obafia no pass obi but we sabre by 9 na traffic no a build up so nti no yenhwe na yentoto ne ma yie na bibia anya kama ye de yenim say yakan mu betie no ma ye ho adwuma. Let's do it. Now, driver for a nam kwan so. I am sure say driver for a mutie man pay a mufa kwan so nyina no. About 1-2 weeks ni. And as anyama we are starting AC. So we need to talk about it. That is it. We need to talk about it.